Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby Patel. I am first year student of computer engineering at Swaminarayan University. Today I am going to solve LeetCode problem number 1619, which is mean of array after removing some elements. So here in this problem I have given an array and I have to find the mean of array elements after removing some elements. So which elements I have to remove? So I have to sort the array first, and then after I have to remove 5% smallest and 5% largest element from the array, and after that I have to find the mean of remaining elements of array. So this is the problem. Now let's take example. So in example 1, as you can see here, I have given an array of here the size of array is 20. Then I have to then I have to find the 5% of array size 20. So 5% of 20 is becomes 1. So after sorting the first after sorting the element array elements, I have to remove one element from the one element which is smallest, and one element which is largest, means one element from the starting and one element from the ending. So this is the problem. Now let's see the approach to solve this problem. So this is the approach. As I say, I have to first sort the array by a sorting method, and after that it is arranging the sorting method arranging the array elements in increasing order. And after that, here I am taking n variable. Here n variable stores the size of a array, and after that I take k variable, which tracks changes, which tracks that how many elements I have to remove from the smallest and largest elements of array. Now to find the k, am using this. If I am multiplying array size by 5 and then dividing it by 100, it gives me the 5% of smallest and 5% largest element which I want to remove. After that, I want to ignore smallest and largest element. So here I am running loop from k I from I is starting from k, and the and I is running until n minus k. So here it automatically ignore the smallest element, k smallest element, which I do not want to include in mean sum of elements of array. So here I want to find the mean of array. So I do not want to include k smallest element and k largest element. So I am minusing k n minus k from to removing the last largest element after sorting. So I am running the loop from k to n minus k minus 1. After that, here I am taking here I am add all values to sum. So all the remaining elements I have to add in a sum, because after that I want to calculate mean. So for calculating mean, I have to take the sum, and after that uh, I have to divide how many number of elements I am taking to get the mean. So here I am taking n minus 2k elements, because I am not including k elements from starting and k elements from ending, which are smallest and largest. So I have to minus the elements from the array size, which is n. So after that, this is the example. Now let's see. Here I have a size of a array is 20, so n becomes 20 here. After that, I have to calculate k. So here I am calculating k, which is it becomes equals to 20, and I have to find 5%. So I am multiplying it by 5, and after dividing it to 100. So k becomes 1 for this array. Now I have to remove one element which is smallest and one element which is largest. So after sorting, I have to remove 1, and I have to remove 3 from the array. So array becomes 2 contains the array becomes 18 of a size 18, which contain element 2 at all the places. Now this is the this is the array. Now I have to add the sum, so it gives the sum of 36 because I have a 18 element of a which value is 2. After that I have to divide it by n minus 2 into k. So it becomes, when I am dividing 36 by, so here value of n is 20. Now I have to minus 2 and into k. Here k's value is 1, so I am minusing it. Now I am getting 36 divided by 18. So it becomes, when I am calculating, so at last it becomes 2. So I am getting a mean of the array after removing 5% smallest and 5% largest element is 2. Now let's doing the code. So here first of all I have to sort the array by sort method, which is array dot begin. I have to give the position. After that array dot end. Now here I am taking the variable which is int n. So n stores the size of array, which is array dot size. After that here I am taking variable k, which tracks n into 5 divided by 100. Now I am running the for loop from int k equals to int I equals to k to I should be less than n minus k. After that I am incrementing I, and now here I have to check, I have to add the the elements in a sum. So here I am taking variable which is int sum. Now here uh, each element I am adding in a sum to getting sum of all the elements which are not smallest, or after removing k smallest and k largest element. So here I have to add array of I. Now at last here I have given sum, so I have to take the sum as a double because sum can be in a point. So here I am taking return. After that I am dividing sum by n minus 2 into k. So n gives me the size of array, and but here I do not include the k smallest and k largest element, so I have to remove 2 into k elements from the total elements which I have added in a sum. So this is the solution. Now let's check code by submitting running. So as you can see, it passed all the 3 test cases. Now also I can add custom test case from here. So now let's check by running. There is some mistake here. So as you can see, it passed all the 3 test cases. Now let's check the code by submitting if it is pass all the test cases or not. So as you can see, it passed all the 50 test cases successfully. So our code is correct. Now let's see the time complexity and space complexity. So here time complexity is big O of n log n, and here space complexity becomes big O of 1, because here I am do not using any data structure or memory to store extra values. So here space complexity is constant, which is big O of 1, but here I am using sorting method, which is takes the time complexity of n log n. So here I am taking the time complexity, so here it takes time complexity of a big O of n log n. So this is the solution. If you find this solution helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.